talking about? Huh? What you gotta say?
What?
Motherfucker, what you gotta say? We knocking on the door, man. Go to sleep.
Fuck you, man. How many bills you pay in this motherfucking house, bitch? You pay a goddamn bill in this motherfucking house. You goddamn want to tell somebody who they can come in and who the fuck can't come out. Say. Yeah. Just a punk ass motherfucking goddamn squatters all the fuck you are, you motherfucking little punk ass bitch.
I'll get out and whip your ass, motherfucker.
Come on out here, motherfucker. I'm out here waiting on you. Bitch ass motherfucking punk.
Who's that?
See your ass no goddamn way. I want to see somebody else. I don't even want to fucking see your ass, bitch.
You don't want to see you neither. You drunk ass motherfucker.
Fuck you, you fucking whore.
We don't want to know drunk people like you.
I want to see somebody else.
You said that you drive her nuts. You don't like drunk people. Get sober. Drink some fucking water instead.
I can't hear you.
Get chasers.
Very complicated.
God damn, I want to see Ann, man. Let me talk to Ann. That's all I want to see. Fucking, just let me say hey to her or something without putting up with the motherfucking punk ass bullshit you got going on, man. Fuck.
He'll come back.
The worst idea is trying to look him over his hand and look what the fuck he become. Just say sober for 2 days or whatever.
This is cool. I can do this.